So we were talking about Mercury Retrograde. We were talking about letting go what no longer serves us, and healing, and being at one with this beautiful energy of nature, and to be the calm oasis in the middle of all the chaos going around us. So instead of being worried, instead of being fearful, we are just going to remain calm in the eye of the storm, let everything happen around us, because when you remain calm, then you are able to radiate that calm and that peace and that love and that well-being to everyone around you. So let's take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, I want you to drop your shoulders down. I want you to literally feel everything rolling off your shoulders. I want you to feel as though you have a tremendous weight, and it's all of a sudden just been released, relieved, and you just feel it rolling off your shoulders. This is the sensation that I want you to feel when trouble's brewing, when relationships go a little bit wonky sometimes, when your electronics are not working properly, when things don't go your way. I want you to just feel it all slowly just rolling down your shoulders. And no matter what's going on around you, just take a breath, take a pause, and wait before you respond. Give yourself one beat and then say, I can handle this. It's all going to be just fine. So I want you to see yourself seated in the middle of this very big movie theater. And you are there in the middle seat, in the middle of all the rows, in the exact center. There's nobody else in the movie theater, only you. I want you to see that you're watching the screen in front of you, this big screen surrounded by the velvet curtains. Very beautiful, very relaxing, very calm theater. And I want you to see on the movie screen your life playing out before you. From the time you were born up till now, everything that's happened, the good, the bad, the ugly, the funny, the amazing, the miraculous, I want you to see everything playing out right in front of you. And you sit there as the spectator. You're not involved in what's going on. You're not reacting to what's going on. You're simply observing it. You're watching time pass. You're watching what has happened. You're watching the calm, beautiful memories. You're watching the chaos as you're in the middle of it. And you see yourself reacting in all these different ways, having all these different emotions and all these different experiences. And instead of getting drawn into all that drama, you see yourself seated there very calm, very still, as though you're watching a movie. And you see it all play out up until the current time. And then there's a little bit of a trailer at the end of the movie. And it's a little sneak peek of what's to come. And you see yourself there. You see this character on the screen that you're playing. And this person is very happy. This person is healthy. This person is very successful. You can tell by the way she stands there, she carries herself, by the beautiful smile on her face, by the ease with which she does things. And this character turns, and it's almost as though she's looking directly at you from the screen. And you feel this amazing connection. And all at once, you feel a sense of ease and peace. You take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you realize, despite everything that's happened, despite everything you've watched, despite everything you've seen despite all the trauma and the tragedy and the sorrow and the happiness and the joy and the celebration, everything you've witnessed up to this point in time, it's as though the character's connecting with you to tell you everything's going to be just fine. It's all going to turn out fine. Everything's going to go how it's supposed to go, and not to stress about it, not to worry, not to be afraid, but keep showing up with an open heart and an open mind and an unbreakable trust in your soul to deliver you to where you need to go. And all at once you have this sense of serenity that you have never experienced before. Your fears are gone. You have no worries. You have no doubt. You know that no matter what's happened, you can sit there and watch it without becoming part of it. You realize you could do this with the people you love, with what's going on in the world, with whatever happening around you. You can reverse all that. You can go retrograde and decide to just be there. Watch it happen and then watch it pass. Because when you focus on it, when you bring yourself into that energy, you are stuck in it. But when you can observe it from the outside in a calm, peaceful, stable manner, you are so powerful because you can accomplish anything with a clear mind, with a happy heart, with a relaxed sense of well-being. There's nothing frantic or desperate or worrisome about that kind of energy. And when you have this calm, peaceful, trusting, open-hearted demeanor, that is when the universe will deliver to you everything that you desire. Because you are sending out the vibration that you trust that all will be well. And that is the definition of faith. You have faith that everything is going to work out fine. You have faith that you are strong enough to get through anything. You have faith that you are powerful beyond measure. You have faith that you are smart and you are capable and you are mindful and you are creative and you can make things happen. You have faith that you are worthy of all things wonderful and good. You have faith that amazing things are going to show up for you because they should. Because it is your birthright to be healthy and happy and have an amazing life. And that you are worth the effort it takes to get where it is you want to go. No matter how small or how big a leap that is, you are worth that effort. And you sit there feeling such a sense of beauty within yourself because you feel so aligned with your soul that you know anything is possible for you. And with all that love in your heart and the open-mindedness to allow in new opportunities and solutions and amazing experiences, you see the character wave goodbye and the screen goes black, but it doesn't say the end. Instead, it says the beginning. And you know your journey is far-reaching, and your journey begins now anew with a new mindset and a new thought pattern and new beliefs and a new faith and a renewed sense of vitality that is going to bring you amazing experiences, so that the next time you find yourself in this theater, you will have such a show to witness of all the things you've accomplished, all the productivity you had, all the focus, all the mindfulness, all the work you did, that you could see all the rewards that were given to you in exchange for that. And with this sense of accomplishment flowing within you, you feel yourself coming back to this seat, definitely not in a movie theater, but where you are now. And your current circumstances are perfect. You are here for a reason. You are meant to be here. Where you are is exactly where you need to be. This is your starting point. And you get to decide where you go from here. You get to decide what happens next in that movie. You are writing the script. You are producing it. You are directing it. You are in charge of it all. So knowing that and feeling that and believing that, let's breathe all that in. As you exhale and drop your shoulders down, I want you to just wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel yourself in this moment. Feel yourself empowered, so that the moment you leave this place and you head home, when you get there, write down the next great thing you want to accomplish and take the first small step to get you there. And then tomorrow you take another and another and another. And with that in mind, knowing that you can accomplish anything, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, I wish you many, 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 many magical experiences. Namaste.
Namaste.